Okay, now we're ready to move on to task 2. Before we go to task 2, I want to get rid of this task 1. I want to show you the erase command. So what you can do is you can look up here and use your icons here for erase, but I like to use the keyboard. So I use my left hand for the keyboard and my right hand for the mouse. So I'm going to hit E for erase. Now my options are just to pick an object like that and then hit enter and then it erases. Okay? I can also use windows. So if I click E to erase again and hit enter, I can pick with a window. So if I click a window right to left and I start moving this, notice that as soon as I touch the object with a window, it's highlighted. So if I were to go there, I would have the two objects, hit enter, they'd erase. Let's try it again. E to erase. If I click left to right, notice when I touch the object, it's not being highlighted. In this case, going left to right, it has to be fully enclosed in the window to be highlighted. It'd be highlighted and it would work. So those are your three options for erase. I'm going to go ahead and get rid of these, E to erase, and I just pick a window like this, enter, and they're gone. Alright, we're moving on to task 2. This is a parquet floor. I have 2 1/4 inches here, so notice that I have 3/4 of an inch by 3/4 of an inch by 3/4 of an inch. I've kind of got a 3/4 inch grid going here. So what we're going to learn is we're going to use construction lines. So you can find a construction line up here on your drawing tools. But again, I like to use the keyboard. So if I type XL for construction line and then type H for horizontal, I can put a horizontal construction line right there. I don't want any more of these yet, so I hit escape. Now I'm going to go XL again for construction line. This time I'm going vertical, so I'm going to type V, and I'm going to put another one right there. I don't want any more, so I hit escape. So now what I'm going to use is offset. So you would, underneath the modify menu, you'd find the offset. But what I want to do is use the keyboard. So I'm going to type O for offset, and I'm going to enter the distance. I'm going to go 0.75. Okay. Now there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There's 12 by 9 is the grid here, the offset. So if I click this line, and either side that I go, it's going to offset to that side. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. By 9 it was. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, I'm going to hit escape. So I'm done offsetting. The next command we're going to learn is trim. So the trim is right here. Once again, I like to use the keyboard, so I type TR, enter. It wants the objects to trim. So if I go left to right, I didn't get any because they weren't all the way in the window. But if I go right to left, they get selected. Okay. I'm done selecting the objects that I want to trim with, so I'm going to hit enter. Now it wants the objects to trim. So same thing, if I go right to left, I can get rid of these lines that I don't want. Okay. I still got these items selected here, and so I want to get new trim objects here in a minute, so I'm going to hit escape. Okay. So now I'm going to look at this first line here, the third line, the sixth line, and the ninth line. So I'm going to type TR. And I'm going to pick the third line, the sixth line, the ninth line, and it looks like I'm picking the third line and the sixth line here. Those are what I'm trimming with. So I'm going to hit enter because I'm done picking my trimmers. Now I'm going to figure out what I want to get rid of. So notice this line comes through here, then it skips, and it comes through here and skips again. So it looks like I'm going to get rid of this line, and this line, this line, and this line. And let's do the ones at the bottom. So it looks like I'm getting rid of this line, this one, and this one. And then I'm back to this one here where I'm getting rid of this, and this, and this, and this. Okay. Now I'm going to do my up and down trimmer. So these two lines are here, but this one is gone and that one's gone. And this one's the same here. And then I've got this last one where these lines are here. Looks like these two are gone. And looks like these two are gone. Okay. Then I can hit escape. And there you've created a parquet floor.